What up, y'all? We back at it again. Eric here, Travel and Training. We are on day 11 of 30 days, 30 trades, whichever comes first. And right now we're on trade 13 today of those trades, and another green day it is. So pretty easy setup today. So if you guys watched the last video I posted, what, last night or the night before, you could have made money on this stuff here today too. So hopefully you did. I know a lot of you guys were talking in the chat. All the plays that was out there today. It was a great Monday to start off. So we're gonna quickly recap my one trade I took. For those of you that don't know, the name of the game and rules of what we're doing is pretty much similar to what I already do anyways, but we're doing 30 days of trading, one trade a day, uh, and hopefully at minimum, or whatever comes first. If 30 trades come first, then we'll stop it there. 30 days come first, then we'll stop it there, whichever comes first. But basically, that's the name of the game. I'm only trading with a $10,000, you know, account, so pretty much is what we're risking anywhere between $1, $20 stocks. At any point in time, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be trading 500 shares, but we'll play that as it goes. Today was a great day to start off this week. Hopefully, the rest of the week plans out. So far, out of these 11 trades, we've had 9 out of 11 be in the green. So let's see if we can keep that streak going, guys. Um, yeah. So let's talk about my one trade I took today here. I missed out on a couple opportunities. I should have actually did more than one trade. There was a lot of opportunity there between um, not just small caps with TNXP, SIDU. I was thinking about getting some large caps too, like Tesla and a few other ones. That was there. But anyways, this is just some of the stuff that I was looking at for the day. But let's go ahead and jump into my one trade today, which was WKEY again. Now again, like last time, guys, you could have just easily made money off of this trade just from experience alone. So let's kind of talk about how this played out. So again, this is pretty much where it was at Friday. If I would have held on to this trade, probably would have made a lot more money. But I did get into it at a good entry point and got out at a good exit. Excuse me. Just got to working out, so I had to get some little snacks in me. But yeah. So the reason why this one was a pretty simple, easy trade that you guys could have had is because you could have been in this thing since I told you guys to get into it, not just from the last trading session, but just from the watch list alone that I told you guys to come in with this morning. As a matter of fact, let me pull it up here for you real quick. As you guys know, if you have the alerts, start your morning off. If you're coming in pre-market, setting everything up, which means pulling up the stocks on your radar that you should be looking at until alerts come in with newer stocks to be focusing on, right? And you're going to look for the things that I tell you to look for in the trading course. Pretty simple. Volume and all the other factors I tell you guys to look at too, right? Even with coming into just this thing here, look, I had it for you guys in the alerts channel. I said look at CKPT and WKEY again. And then it has some more in the back burner. So therefore, it should have been on your radar already. From there, you just wait for your setup to form. Whether you're bullish or bearish, doesn't matter. You had your opportunity. So even there, it ended at 867. Me personally, I didn't get back into this trade until a dollar later at 967 after opening bell. Because even coming off of, after hours from Friday, we still had a bit of a spike. From 850 all the way up to like 1050, just in pre-market alone. Then it grinded on back down, back to the $8 level, and showed some good level of support. Now coming out of the gate, pretend you don't even know all of this is happening right here, right? Coming out of the gate, what do you notice here? Just a bunch of bullish signals. I mean, there's no way to not want to try to get into this thing at this point. And of course, this is opening bell. It could easily drop on you if, things are getting cashed out, but it never happened. You had your support level entry points right here, which again is where I entered at $9.67. Let me finish my last one, which was a good level of entry because From then on out, showed up to the pop. This was a pretty quick hold. I mean, not a pretty quick hold, but a pretty quick trade for me, for the most part, as far as entry goes. Excuse me. So I pretty much got out on the pops right here a little bit before lunchtime. Didn't want to be greedy, especially since I seen that SIDU and a few others are running around this time frame. This is my exit area right here. So the profit on this bad boy for me here, and I'll post the results for you guys in the video. It's already in the Facebook chat, group chat that you guys are in. If you're not in there, get in there. It's free. I post all my results and my trades in there for you guys to look at. Ask me questions about it. But this was a 38% gainer for me here, $1,800. Not too shabby. You know, I'll take it where I can get it. Um, and now it's pretty much it. So again, with this trade here, guys, another time again, like I told you guys in the last video, experience. WKEY does this all the time. Whenever news comes out about it, that's really good. You just finding the levels of support, guys, there, and this will tell you where it's at each single time, and you can manage your risk to reward from there. It doesn't get much simpler than this, you know. Only thing that you can probably work on is your psychology and your risk to reward. Everything else is pretty much laid out for you. You got the alerts to find the stocks that are going to move. You got levels of support and resistance easily be established by these, you know, indicators and assets. Obviously, they're not all, you know, perfect, but the main thing about trading is not having everything be exact every single time. It's about having the odds in your favor for the most part. And the more you do that and develop your trading strategies, the better you can get. But this is just pretty much what I did. You know, I entered in at a good level of support, waited for the pop or near pop. I didn't get greedy and I just took it. Now, you're probably wondering why I didn't want to hold it. Well, there was no need to. I kind of hit my target price. Excuse me. Not only did I hit my target, but also, why be greedy? It's Monday, still early. There was other money flowing into other places too, so I didn't want to risk that, such as like SIDU and some of the other trades. Tesla was being, you know, looked at as well. TNXP. You had a bunch of different other opportunities. Again, so I'm going to take my money and let it ride out. That's pretty much. There was a lot of different factors like that that I was thinking about when doing this trade, and I'm happy with it. Could I have made more? Absolutely. I didn't nail the top, which is fine, but I didn't get stopped out. Green is green. Why complain? There's going to be another trade tomorrow. I'm telling you. Mark my words if you're reading this video. There's going to be another trade that you can capitalize on tomorrow. And a lot of times traders, they fail to realize that. They're so busy worrying about hitting home runs and getting these, you know, big plays and big trades. Why? You can just get the same thing over and over and over every single day. Compounding is way better. Way better. And that took me a long time to learn as a new trader too. I was such a rush to make money. But once you understand the power of compounding and just letting your wins stack up on each other and you got a good system, the money's gonna come. You're just gonna get better and better. So just remember that, guys. But anyways, that was pretty much my trade for WKEY. Again, you had some other good opportunities. There was a bunch of different alerts here throughout the day for you to capitalize on. Starting off the week, AHR was a good one too. If you got in that one, um, I would say those are probably like the top 5 plays, top 4 plays: AHR, SIDU, WKEY, and TNXP. And there was a trade for each type of strategy. If you want to do a trend trading strategy, you could have gotten AHR. If you like penny stocks, TNXP was your play. If you're a momentum trader like me, then WKEY was your trade, and possibly SIDU. And SIDU would have fell under pretty much any other trading strategy that you probably would have used the way it played out today. So yeah, guys, I mean, the wins are there. The wins are there. If you're having trouble, please message me. I don't know any other place that's telling you to reach out to them if you guys need help. We can talk about it. That's what I'm here for. So take advantage if you got it. Might as well at least try to get profitable, right? So I'll give you perspectives. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you as much as I can. There's something you're not quite getting, we can talk about it, look into it some more, but keep checking at it. So 30 days, 30 trades, guys. We're at an $1,800 profit so far this week. Let's keep this streak going. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Hopefully, it is terrific. And we might be cut a little short coming into January because, of course, we have Christmas and New Year, so that's going to damper a little bit of trades in that day. But I'll try to, honestly, I'm going to try to get in the 30 days or the 30 trades in before the 30 days, which I could do. Like I said earlier, I could have took SIDU because it's TNXP, but I want to try to stick to some consistency and show you guys like, one trade a day is really all you need. You don't need to be, I mean, unless you're a scalper, if you want to do that, that's fine. But other than that, one trade a day, guys, all you need. Two, maybe to be okay. But then once you start getting over that, you're getting greedy. The money's going to come. All right, so let it come. But other than that, guys, till tomorrow, stay green.